Welcome back, YouTubers and supporters. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for more crazy content. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. In this week's video, I'm going to be displaying my Porsche 911, which is officially for sale. So let's go take a look around the car, inside and outside, from the subtle modifications and performance it has, to the looks, to the interior, to the exterior. Officially selling my Porsche 911 996 2001 Carrera 4 convertible, clean title, no accident, and has currently 126,000 miles. And I will showcase everything about the car, how it drives, all the subtle modifications it has, and the stage 1 tune, which is pushing around 350 horsepower. And I might get the catalytic converter removed, both of them, if the future owner wants to have it removed. I can get that done for you. Because my 996 has a factory upgraded package, which includes 18-inch alloy turbo twist wheels, the aero body kit side skirts that comes from factory, as well as heated and cooled seats, I decided to install the front lip splitters, aftermarket thought, both sides. And onto the rear, I have the 997 conversion taillights on my 996, and they look beautiful. I can show you the night clip, how it looks like during the nighttime. And now let's open up the engine bay and take a look at it. Pretty clean. Spent a lot of money on this car. Let me tell you the price tag. I spent about $14,000 total on this car. Apart from the price that I paid for it, I paid $10,000, but since I financed it, it was a $14,000 almost. So I'm going to tell you everything I've done to this car. I've replaced the IMS, I've replaced the cam adjusters, I've replaced the Variocom plugs, and so many other things. I could provide the list right here, scrolling down. And the car only takes 5W40 liquid moly oil only. The next oil change is at 129,000 miles. Let's put the drop top down and the spoiler up. The one thing I love about this car is the rear end. I love the rear end, especially with the 997 taillights and the wing up with the turbo twist wheels. I love this combination right here. So let's go take a look at the interior. You can tell the convertible top is all flushed in, and let's take a look at the seats. Pretty good condition. That one has a little bit of wear in it. And let's take a look at the front seats, the heated and cooled blue leather seats. 20 years old, and it doesn't even look that old. It still looks relatively modern, especially with the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay Bluetooth USB radio. Yes, it is Tiptronic, and it comes with a radio remote and a few more accessories. Let's take a look at the doors. Pedals and carpet, the buttons, the radio, the dashboard, and the instrument cluster. And to open the trunk, unfortunately the actuator is weak. It's low voltage and it needs to be replaced. That's one issue I don't really want to fix. I may end up fixing it before I actually sell the car to the next owner, but it's a small issue and we had a temporary fix. So the wire is located right here, the manual wire. You pull this little cover down, and you locate the wire, and you pull up. That's it. Then you can tuck it back inside, and it's all hidden. The other secondary small issue is the hydraulics for the front isn't working. I may end up replacing that. I don't know yet. I spent at least $14,000 in repairing this car, servicing, maintenance, and I'm kind of done with the car. I spent so much money. This car total cost me $24,000. Yikes, I should have just got one that was in pristine condition with lower miles. Oh well, you live, you learn. The engine's rebuilt, new IMS, a bunch of new things. Here's the list again if you want to take a look at it. It's also in the description. I got to say, this car has been reliable for almost a year I've had it. So this is what the front looks like, and let's take off the cover and show you the spare tire with the tools and accessories the car will come with. It will come with an original Audi tire pump that will work just fine. It will come with jumper cables. It will come with the original jack stand. It will come with 2 original Porsche anti-theft wheel locks. I'm gonna be honest about this car, the few cons about it, apart from the missing clear coat and the small dents around the car, as you could tell, and missing clear coat on the side mirrors, it just needs a little bit more TLC, but I'm done with the car. I spent so much money on this car, I'm just done. I want to sell it and get my Audi A4 running. That thing sounds so good. See, if you look right here, the paint is a little bit bad. It just needs to be touched up, that's all. I might spend the money in actually repainting the car. I have no idea though. I'm going to show you a cool, neat little trick with the convertible top. So when the car is locked or unlocked or whatever, now it's locked. I'm going to unlock the car. Let's close the convertible top. By the way, this is a brand new canvas. It has 5 years warranty, and I will show you what it looks like. And here it is. It's been taken great care of, the canvas. I put a special type of liquid spray to keep the dirt and all that stuff out of it. It's like a repellent. When you drop water, it just jumps right off. So I've been driving the car all day long. I'm gonna grab my diagnostic scanner and just scan the car for codes to show you if there's no check engine light, no issues like that. There may be like a torque open converter circuit or something like that, but let's scan the car for codes. See, there's no check engine light. That's just the parking brake and the wing ups. No check engine light. I'm so happy. $14,000, no check engine light. I'm taking a loss by selling this car, but that's my problem. That one fault's gonna be like the transmission, torque converter, clutch open. So let's tap on it. Fault. Yeah, torque converter, clutch open. That's when you put the car into drive and you feel it like kick forward just a bit. It's not supposed to do that. It's not a big deal. But I'm sure whoever buys this car, they may convert it to a manual, because I've always had that idea in my mind to keep this car converted to manual, make it a nice looking stands out car. But things happen and I want to get my Audi A4 running. Oh, by the way, the cold AC works. Woo! It's hot in Florida. Anyways, this is my Sony radio. It comes with the regular radio itself. I have my Audi A4 speakers installed on here. Now let's go to USB. You could plug in like an MP3 player or whatever via USB. You could do Bluetooth audio, which is my phone. You could do phone calls on here. And then if you got a rear camera, you can install the rear camera on the car. Now let's show you the Android Auto. Now this is the music that's on my phone. It's not Bluetooth, it's on my phone right now. So I could go to music, could change the song if I wanted to. Let's go to the Android Auto Home screen. Look at that. I love this radio. And this is Apple CarPlay, guys. There you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more crazy content. And one more additional thing, and when you buy my Porsche 911, you're gonna get the box with some other accessories like the original radio of the car, meaning like the CD player and some other cubbies and additional stuff like that. Other than that, that's it. I will be happy to know who the next owner of the car is and to know that they will take good care of the car. Knowing that I spent $14,000 in modifications, repairs, and maintenance, and apart from the $10,000 to $13,000 with interest purchase on the vehicle. Whoever buys my car, hope you guys enjoy. You guys seen how much money I spent on the car. I'm taking a loss on this car. I'm listing it for $20,000. Yes, it's exceedingly high for what it looks like right now, but maybe once I fix it up, the paint and whatnot, maybe if I fix the paint, then $20,000 seems like a pretty good deal. Right now I'm pushing it. Oh well, there's people in this world who want to buy my car the way it is for $20K. I'm sure there is. I'm not doubting anything, but let's go for it. Let's get my Audi A4 running, my project car to 500 horsepower, 2020. Let's go.